friends!
Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to Red Deer County, along the Red Deer River and Highway 54, just north of Innisfail, Alberta. This spot is known for its wide open landscapes and the peaceful flow of the Red Deer River, which has been a lifeline for the region for generations. The area was first settled in the late 1880s and became an important hub for agriculture and trade. Along the highway, you'll notice farmland, open skies, and scenic views that reflect the heart of central Alberta. The intersection of the river and highway offers a mix of accessibility and tranquility, a reminder of how Alberta's landscapes blend nature and community. This area offers a peaceful glimpse of Alberta's countryside. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Innisfail, Alberta.
Thank you very much.
Thanks for watching!